What's up guys, how you doing? I hope you guys are well and welcome to another video, and today we have another Photomechanic video. That's right, 2 Photomechanic videos in a row. Yes we do, because you guys seem to enjoy that last one, so I thought we would do another one again. Today I'm going to look at something which, I'll be honest, I kind of hadn't really thought about, because to me it was something so easy that I just do. But lots of people have asked me about how you incorporate Photomechanic and Lightroom to use them both in the same workflow. So that's what we're going to look at today. I think it's going to be quite an interesting topic for you guys and something which is really useful. A bit tricky if you don't know how, but once you do know how, it's like the easiest thing in the world. That's what we're going to look at today. It's going to be a great video. Let's go. Before we get into the topic itself, guys, please do take that second to go hit the thumbs up button for me. Hit the like on the video. It helps me out loads. It helps my channel. It helps the video to be more successful. And it's pretty much the only thing I'm going to ask for you guys in return for me taking the time to make this video for you. If you haven't already subscribed, please do think about it. Loads of other videos coming on my channel, and I reckon you will enjoy them. Why would you not enjoy them? Of course you're going to enjoy them. Don't forget to go subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to check me out on my social media channels. I'm just going to put them all on the screen right here. You can check me out on Instagram at Rob Sambles, at Rob Sambles Sport. Even go check out at Scorchers Photog. Loads of basketball photos on there. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Rob Sambles Photo. The top account here, the Instagram, the at Rob Sambles, that's where I'm doing like loads of my kind of personal stuff now and showing you guys a little bit more about me and what goes on outside of my photography work. So I'll tell you what we're going to do. The next 50 people who go follow me on that channel, I'm going to follow back. The next 50 people from the minute this video goes live, the next 50 people who follow me, I will follow you back. So go do that right now and we can follow each other and it'd be cool to see some of your photos. Right. Enough of this chit chat, let's have a look and let's get back onto the computer. I'm going to show you guys how we incorporate Photomechanic and Lightroom. Let's have a look. Okay, so the first thing we need is to be in Photomechanic. And we're here, we've got a few photos open. You guys might recognize this photo from the last video. We've got a few photos in here, and hey, guess what? We already included all of the metadata onto these photos, and it's on all of them. We learned how to do that in the last video, so if you haven't seen that already, please do make sure you go and check that out. So the only thing that I like to do in Photomechanic, editing-wise, is to crop the photos. Everything else I do in Lightroom. Okay, so before I move the photos to Lightroom, I go through and I tend to just crop the photos. Now, it's fairly easy to do, and in fact, a couple of these have already been cropped. But for example, I might decide, you know what, I want to move this in slightly closer. I might decide, you know, that maybe I want to straighten up a horizon on something. So perhaps something's not straight. That is straight, but let's say I needed to, you know, to do that. I might decide I want to crop this in a bit closer, like so. I might decide I want this to be a square, and again I might have to level it up. But I tend to crop the photos first, right? So I tend to crop the photos, and if you look now on the preview, you can see the crops in there. I do that before we go to Lightroom. Now the piece that people often wonder is, well, how do you get these to be able to work on them in Lightroom? And the way you do it is actually so simple. When you guys see how, you're going to think, oh, I didn't know it was so easy. All you got to do is get Lightroom open, okay? You have Lightroom open here, and just make sure you're in the library module. So you don't want to be in develop or anywhere else. You want to make sure that you are in the library module. Once you're in the library module, you go back to Photomechanic and you select the photos that you want to move across to Lightroom. If you just want all of them, you can just press Ctrl A and it will highlight all of them like that. You click on them and you drag them down to the bottom over the Lightroom icon, and it opens Lightroom for you, right? You can see we're in Photomechanic. If you drag it over Lightroom, it opens Lightroom. You drag back up here to anywhere in this space, let go of the cursor, and it's automatically going to start bringing those photos in for you. You can see, here we go. It brings up the ingest box automatically. Now, this is the best piece. Up here, Metadata, you want to make sure this says none, okay? Because your metadata you've already put in Photomechanic. We've already done that, right? We've already got the photos renamed. You can see the titles of the photos here. But what you might want to do is add a preset to these photos. So I've got a load of my own presets set up. You might decide that you want to use a preset. Now, I've already got a preset for Fulham, which I have right here, and that will automatically add a simple edit to all these photos. Real basics, right? I'm talking a little bit of contrast, a little bit of clarity, some stuff like that. And all I have to do now is I press import, and it automatically brings those 4 photos into Lightroom for me. And just like that, I've got them. I can edit them, I can go through, I can do whatever I need to do with them, export them, and they are ready to go. And it is as simple as that, guys. Okay, so just to confirm again, I come back to Photomechanic, I get the photos I want. Maybe I just want this one, for example. I would drag it down here to Lightroom, up here, and I could let go anywhere here, and it would upload the photo for me. It brings up the ingest box. It is as simple as that. Okay, so that's how that works. Quite easy once you know how, right? But you can hopefully see how the workflow comes together and enables you to use Photomechanic and then Lightroom at the same time. Really, really useful tool and a good way to be able to link your workflow and make it much, much quicker once you get the hang of it. Hopefully you guys found that interesting. If you did, please do go hit that like button, hit the thumbs up, show me you enjoyed the video. Comment below. Let me know what else you guys would like to know about Photomechanic, because I'm going to do a few of these Photomechanic videos, so let me know what you would like to know about Photomechanic. Comment below and I will make that video. I will show you guys how I use it and how I do whatever it is that you might be asking about. In the meantime, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.